Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to fill up my journal, not completely, but in this video I'm just going to work on a lot of different pages to just yeah, I always have these things laying around that I think like, oh, I don't have a purpose for it, but I will put it in my journal at some point. Well, that is what this video is. I'm just making sure every little piece of paper is filled with something, and I can't wait to finish this up and start in my December daily. So yeah, I hope we can finish it up quickly, but it's getting there. We're getting there. So on this page, I am gluing down some things from a hobby kit I did. It's a paint by number. I later add a picture of how the painting turned out. You can't really tell in this video, but if you look closely, you can see that. So I journaled about it because it was something that I didn't know I enjoyed, but it was so relaxing and satisfying because it turned out so good. And it was just, I don't know, I was listening to podcasts. I listened to, oh my god, what's it called? Waar gebeurt, I guess. It's a Dutch podcast in which people tell stories and where people read their teenage diaries, which I love. Like one day when I'm old, I'm definitely going to join in a show like that because it would be so funny. But right now I couldn't because I know all the people whom the stories are about. Like, juice has to age before you can laugh at it, right? So on this next page, I'm just journaling about the graduation dinner we had for my boyfriend. It's crazy. We can't go out for dinner right now, but at this point we could. So I'm covering up this page with this beautiful black floral paper, and then I add this picture of my boyfriend who looks really cute and happy, and I add some journaling about that day. In this video, I'm also using a lot of printables by Bonnie from the Creative Paper Moth on Instagram. She has a bunch of beautiful vintage collages, but also vintage linens, which I love using. So if you want more on that, you can read in my description some information about what the packs are called, etc. And you can also look her up on Instagram. It's the Creative Paper Moth. You can also follow me on Instagram while we're at it. It's Mae Journals low bar, and I share a lot of pictures of my journal as well as my pen pal mail I send out, so that's fun. So in my last video, I asked if you wanted to see a washi sample collection, and some of you said yes. So now I'm like, oh, I don't know what to do because I don't really have a vision for what to do with that. But yeah, I'm not promising when it will come and if it will be a video or on Instagram. I don't know. I just feel like, I don't know, maybe one day I'll do collection videos. I don't know. I really don't know. Anyway, so on this page I just wrote down all the books I read this year because I think that's something that you'll forget. And because this journal also represents this entire year, I like to have some lists of things I've done and read and stuff like that. So now I'm making a page about my romantic weekend trip to Leiden. I used this bag from the Hortus Botanicus, and yeah, I went there with my boyfriend. We slept in a tiny house and it was just very romantic. And I was getting a little bit stressed out from all the things I was doing. I wasn't feeling creative and I felt like I was failing because I wanted to do this, and my shop and YouTube, just everything felt like it didn't work, and I just needed some time away without internet, without anything basically, and it was great. It was lovely. I had so much fun, and Leiden is a really great city, so it's a very happy memory for me. We went out, got sushi, we went to a record store. I got to Lana Del Rey albums. I got Honeymoon and Norman fucking Rockwell, and I'm so hyped. I want all of them now. Yeah, I've been having a lot of fun listening to them. I just love records. I love the nostalgia, even though, well, I used to listen to the jukebox when I was a kid, so sort of the same nostalgia. And I just love this page with how I decorated it, and I used the picture I made in the botanicus garden, and it was this beautiful water lily. Is it a water lily? I feel like I'm being stupid for never looking things up. But yeah, I've actually never seen a lily being this beautiful. I always thought like lilies are kind of simple flowers, but once I saw that one, I was like, okay, that's a great flower. I love it. It looks so fairy-like, you know? So this is the little tiny house we slept in. It was really cute. It was very cold. It was really, really cold. We had like 3 blankets, but it was fine. I just loved it so much. I love getting back to nature and not live in this I don't know. I love being able to think about nothing and feeling no pressure and just chilling. And I got this a little poster of like a yoga class or something, meditation course, and I just grabbed that and put it in there because I thought the illustration was great. Also made a little pocket and put a beautiful flip book that I got from Fleur. I like to put the flip books I get in my journal because I love looking at it. And to finish it off, I just keep adding some stuff, doing some collaging, just adding some beautiful pieces into my journal. And yeah, it's getting so chunky, and I can't wait to finish it up and do a flip through. That flip through is going to be so long. Oh my god. I hope you all have a great day. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to remind you that my Christmas sale is still going on my Instagram, Mae Journals shop. You can get 3 envelope sets and only pay for 2. So that could be 12 envelopes for only €5, and everything is handmade. And you would help me out a lot to support me further in my journey. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please let me know if you're excited for the flip through of this journal. By the way, you can see the picture of the painting right now. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well and great and excited for Christmas like I am. And I'd love to see you next time. Bye!